Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of Android course program. So in this video we will talk about the life cycle of an Android activity. So first, let's understand what is a life cycle and second what is an activity. So life cycle basically is a journey from when a process starts till a process gets over, right? So from start to beginning. And what is an activity? So basically a page, a Java file in an Android application is an activity. So the life cycle is of a page, a Java file in an Android program. So let's look at the stages of an life cycle activity first. So basically these are the stages of an activity. So when an activity starts, first it is created, that is on create. So basically all the initializations and loading part takes over here. So once the loading is done, the page starts and it continues to resume, and until any activity or something is interfered between, so the app takes a pause state, and after the pause state it may either switch to again back from where we left the program, or either it can go to a stop mode and it can restart the app, and again from beginning we have to start, or else from the stop it terminates the app and again relaunches the app so that the app is again restarted, right? And either it could be from the stop state, it can go to the destroy. So the destroy means the application's object in the background has been terminated and it is no longer available. So let's implement these lifecycle activities into our Java code and look how does it run and how does it occupy. So we will switch to Android Studio. Now over here, for these activity to understand, so basically on create method, which is the first part, is already done over here because all the initialization and all the basic part is done over here. So apart from on create, if you want to add the remaining methods, what we will do is after the on create method, we will go down, right click, click on generate, override methods, because these are methods, override system inbuilt methods, and here we will get a list of all the methods that can be used by Android in our program. So here as we can see, we have on start, on stop, on destroy, and we can easily search the remaining, that is on pause, on resume. Just click on OK, so it will automatically add. So we have on pause, on resume, we will add the remaining also, on start, on stop, on destroy. And how do we come to know whether these methods have been successfully executed or not? So what we will do is we will add a toast message over here. So what is a toast message? So toast message is something that is very helpful when we want to display some message on the screen to the user to indicate that something has happened. So here we will write toast. So to write toast, we type capital T O. So from the prediction, here we have to select create new toast. So it automatically makes the whole syntax for us, that is toast.make text. The context over here means from where we are referring it, right? So this is the page where from we are referring it. We have to pass a message over here, and the next is the duration of this toast, and the last is to show the. So here what we will do is we will copy this method over here. Okay, so we will copy this toast message to the remaining methods, and after copying at all the stages, we will just rename the text at every stage. So here on destroy, over here on pause, over here on start, over here on resume, on pause. And apart from that, we will also paste and on create, because on create is also an inbuilt functionality that will be used, right? So now let's execute this code and check how can we get benefit from it and how will we able to identify everything. So to run this program, I have connected my mobile as the device and we will run it, right? So my device is already connected over here, and to run the program we have to click over here at the run app. And once we click on the run, so what it will do is it will take time, because for the first time when we run the app, it initializes all the elements and all the variables, so it takes time over here. Once it is done, it will automatically display the screen in front of us. And for the life cycle activities, to have a focus on the screen is very important, because as the app loads, it automatically starts with the processes which are inbuilt, and incorporates all of them. So it will start displaying messages one by one on the screen, and we will have a look at all of them. Okay, so here as we can see, our app has started. Okay, so I will again stop it and again relaunch it so that we can properly see. So as we can see, on create method has been called, on stop method has been called, on resume method has been called. Okay, now what we will do is we will minimize the app. Okay, so from at the bottom, what I have to do is just minimize. So it has gone to on pause state, and from the task manager, we will again open the app. So it again stays on pause, on resume, and on start. Okay,